Thank you. Now go.
Yes. Well, it was fantastic. Firstly, the pieces over here are beautiful. Every stall was unique. Their pieces were different from each other. And as you said, like for me, it's a great day. I felt like a little girl in a candy store because I was surrounded by jewelry and diamonds. So it was a fun time. जी सर, हर लड़की की तरह मैं भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा शौकीन हूँ. एंड बचपन में जब मम्मी तैयार होती थी, आई रिमेंबर हम सब जाके उनकी ज्वेलरी ट्राई करते थे, तब हमें अलाउ नहीं होता था. अब वी हैव एक्सेस टू ऑल ऑफ इट, सो या आई लव वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी. I mean, it depends, right? Like if I'm going for a wedding, I go all out Indian, then I'm going to have like all out Indian, beautiful uncut diamonds, gold, all of it. But otherwise, I'm pretty much this. वाह, क्या इंटेंस क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो आप. जी. Oh, what integration, I must say. Yes. जी, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि ये आपने एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछा है, क्योंकि इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी हिंदुस्तान के एक बहुत बड़े सेक्शन के माइंडसेट के ऊपर कमेंट है. बिकॉज यू आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज माई फिल्म इज़ अबाउट टू रिलीज टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा, विच एक्चुअली इज कमेंटिंग ऑन द माइंडसेट ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी एंड हाउ वी लिव इन अ टाइम ऑफ हिपोक्रेसी. बट your question has an answer in itself, that it's time for us to change and it's time for us to evolve as a society and make toilets. Sir, see, primarily Toilet Ek Prem Katha is a Prem Katha. It's a great love story between these simple, sweet characters, and you won't even realize how through their love story you've been given an important message. And I have a feeling it's really going to bring about a massive change in our society. It's going to encourage a lot of women not to settle for anything less in their marriage, to fight for their rights, and having a bathroom is your right, and you must make sure that you get one. जी जी, हमारे प्रमोशंस सॉफ्ट प्रमोशन शुरू हो गए हैं, एंड एनी डे यार, एक्चुअली टुमारो इट्स ऑन. जी, on my 18th birthday, I was actually gifted a pair of solitaires, which were my first solitaires by my parents. And उसके पहले, as I said, मम्मी की बहुत ज्वेलरी लेते थे, बहुत ज्वेलरी खोई भी है. But when I was 18, they said, now you're an adult, this is your first pair, be responsible. I still have it, I still wear it here. नहीं, मैं diamonds gift कर ही नहीं सकती, सब मेरे लिए है. जी, वो कौन सी है? ओके, सर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी that हमारे राइटर्स, इज इट अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री, शॉर्ट फिल्म, व्हाट इज इट? It's a documentary. I mean, I'm unaware of it, so it doesn't make sense that I comment on it. But our film is original, and क्या बोलूँ उसके आगे? आपकी तो फिल्म है शाहरुख खान के एलिमेंट्स के साथ क्लैश होने वाली थी, लेकिन शाहरुख खान ने रिवर्ट कर लिया अपना क्लैश. तो अगर सपोज क्लैश होती फिल्म, तो आपके ऊपर कितना प्रेशर होता? सर देखिए, प्रेशर तो मुझ पे नहीं है. एज एन एक्टर आई हैव डन माई जॉब ऑफ गोइंग एंड एक्टिंग इन द फिल्म. द रेस्ट इज अप टू द ऑडियंसेस, एंड ऑफ कोर्स a lot of love and luck that a film gathers after it releases. My job is done, so I think the pressure is on the directors of both the films. फिल्म में आप एक स्मॉल टाउन वुमेन का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही है. जाहिर सी बात है कि वहाँ की महिलाओं का जो दुख था, तो आपने समझा होगा. So how was it difficult to portray this character? I mean, it definitely is tough. Unfortunately, in our country, we've seen generations of suppression where women are concerned. But I also feel slowly and steadily things are changing, and the medium we've been given are films. I'm very lucky to be an actor that gets to do films like these, and it is very heartbreaking and heart-wrenching. Now you did a movie with Akshay Kumar. Agar future में कभी chance मिले श्रीकांत के साथ काम करने का, of course, who would not? Like, I think even you guys would do it if you all got a chance.
let's stick to
Yeah, let's
show,
talk
please.
about the exhibition.
Let's talk about jewelry exhibition.
Yeah.
and all that.
एक सवाल
ये तो है।
आपने जो फिल्म की थी दम लगा के हैशा उस पर एक सीरियल बना है और बहुत पॉपुलर है
Okay.
आपकी तरह एक किरदार है
Okay.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे बहुत उसी से लिया गया है।
Well, it's very exciting to know that my character had such an impact and people are getting inspired and making more material around girls like Sandhya and around characters like Sandhya. So kudos to Indian television for evolving themselves this way.
Questions related to show, please.
Show
I
se
would like to
related.
ask you
Ji.
some questions for our social media
Yes.
audience. So yeah.
You want to come here?
No, I
Okay.
don't mind, it's okay.
For me.
Okay.
Or sit. Yes. What? Okay, hi.
So tell me, how was the experience at Times Glamour 2017?
Well, it was fantastic. As I said earlier, I felt like a little girl in a candy store. Being surrounded by jewelry is actually every girl's dream. And I literally felt like I'm walking into one. The pieces were beautiful. They were unique. In fact, there's so much stuff that I might want to wear. And all the best. I hope everybody has a great exhibition and a very successful one.
Also, how do you define luxury?
Well, luxury for me is something that goes with my personality. It, of course, is a lot of comfort, but at the same time, when you wear it, it makes you feel special.
Okay. Any bridal suggestions for this year? To the
Bridal
bride?
suggestions. I've really not thought about this, but I think a classic Indian bride is the most beautiful. So, any of you women getting married, go classic, go Indian, go pretty.
Go all out.
Go all out. I would go all out the day I get married. I would probably have all the jewelry on the day.
Bhumi, any particular piece which was highlighted?
So there've been so many. It's very difficult for me to choose one, but I must say, if anybody seeing me right now live, I don't know if that's a setup. You guys must come visit this exhibition. You all are going to be in for a very happy few hours of shopping.
And you personally do the shopping jewelry, like how do you prefer, like going to the, or you have a designer, like how do you
I mean, I think with actors it becomes a little easier because you have your stylists and you have people sort of doing a lot for you. But I mean, I've grown up seeing my mother, be it any festival, Diwali or birthday, the first stop would be a jewelry store. So I think exhibition, yeah, and I think there can't be a better venue than an exhibition like this where you have everything under one roof. So again, out there, all the brides, all the people that are looking at buying exquisite, beautiful pieces, you must visit this exhibition.
the audience are very excited with the movie, in fact, the songs are doing very well. How much are you excited? Like, and Akshay Kumar
I am-
went actually on the box office.
Okay. Well, I'm extremely excited, but I'm also nervous. It's happy, nervous energy. It's my second film, and it's a very important film for me. It's a very important character for me. So fingers crossed.
Movie, since the movie is inspired on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan initiated by our Honorable Prime Minister PM Modi. So if in future, if you get any chance to meet Prime Minister, so what would you say?
What would I say to him? I don't know. Not something that I can definitely think of right now. I think I'll have a lot to say to him.
Right now, jewelry is all in
Yeah,
our mind.
all I can think of Julia probably. In my head, I have a lot. I don't know if they'll actually happen. Oh, no, I'm not going to give you a dialogue from Toilet because I want everybody to see it. I'll give you, no, I'm going to give you a dialogue from Dab Laga Ke Aisha. Not from Toilet, all of you will have to see it. So from that, this is my favorite dialogue in Dab Laga Ke Aisha, ki aadhe mein na thaku mein, and she winks at her husband, which I felt was so revolutionary for Indian cinema. So yeah. Yeah?
Okay, I have a question for Balbir. Why choose Bhumi for day 2 of Glamour?
I don't know. I mean, you know, when I saw her in Dam Laga Ke, I really didn't understand the whole thing. But when I saw her pictures like 15 days back, when we were going through whom we should be having at our show, I couldn't take my eyes off her, honestly. And when I see her now in person, I think we made a fabulous decision. It was worth it.
How lovely is she?
So sweet. And I mean, see, you have a lot of actors. Everyone's reached somewhere in life, but you know, if you're still grounded, that's the way it is. That's called success and handling success, and that's what I felt from her when I met her. I felt really comfortable, and that's what I want to feel when I'm taking someone around in my exhibition.
Bhumi,
Yes.
social inside war,
Hanji.
training challenge. So
So like काफी डायरेक्टर एंड इनको रोल किया जाता है एक्टर्स को बॉडी शेमिंग का हो जाता है, तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा
जी मैं ये कहा मतलब जितने भी ट्रोल्स हैं जो भी होता है आई फील सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्लेटफॉर्म टू give out a message, to put an opinion, and I definitely feel that we should use it for the betterment of the society and for the betterment of humankind instead of wasting hours sending people hate messages. I honestly block all trolls, and I think everybody should too. Get a life.
Bhumi, can you get a small shout out to all your fans out there to come down and visit Times Glamour?
Yes, of course, everybody out there. This has been a great time. If you're looking for to buying some exquisite, beautiful pieces, please come here, shop your heart out. You're definitely not going to be disappointed.
बात मैं तो टॉयलेट प्रेम कथा के लिए
भाइयों और बहनों, मेरी फिल्म टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा 11 अगस्त को रिलीज़ होने वाली है। ये एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लव स्टोरी है। मैं आपको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ ये फिल्म देखने के बाद आपके चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट होगी। प्लीज़ शो अस सम लव ऑन द 11th of August. I can't tell you. And please, everybody out there, please come to this beautiful exhibition, the Times Glamour. Today and tomorrow, you're going to find some beautiful pieces of jewelry. They are unique, they're exquisite. There's something for everyone. Pour your heart out. Come shop.
How is the total response in fact of the exhibition? There are lots of things going online also.
Yeah, we have a very good response because weddings are not going to stop.
Yes.
You know, occasions are going to be coming in, celebrations and a lot of festivals are going to go on, whether the market, wherever it may be. So people are are all prepared for glamour every year. We've got a lot of outstation visitors this time because, I think around 70 to 80 people out of Bombay who have, who blocked their dates for glamour, just the visitors. So
Wow.
I can definitely, I know glamour is doing very well this year.
That's really commendable. I think they need a round of applause.